Here's a fantastic golden milk recipe that you will love. It's one of my favorite recipes that I share on TV as well, and you will love it because it's so super simple. And I love to drink this close to bedtime, helps with sleep, helps with your beauty sleep because of all the powerful antioxidants that are in, of course, that turmeric with that high concentration of the curcumin. Okay, so all you're gonna need is 2 capsules, and this is the Vitatree turmeric plus the curcumin. This is the one that I use, and you're going to warm up some milk. So let's go on over to the stove here, and with that, any type of milk that you like, you can warm that up on the stove, and then you're going to add in your turmeric plus your curcumin. So this is 2 capsules, whisking that in. So whisking that in until it's nice and incorporated, and you can see that it turns that beautiful yellow color, and that looks like it's about done. And of course, turning off the heat and coming back now and adding it into my beautiful mug. And you can see that beautiful golden color from the turmeric and the curcumin. Now, if you'd like to sweeten this with a little bit of honey, you could certainly do that. It's totally up to you. I find that you don't always need it, and again, if you're watching your fructose levels, you're not gonna want to add the honey, but adding a little pinch of cinnamon on top. And this is so warming. It's so amazing. One of my favorite things to do in the winter time. It is amazing. So enjoy it. Let me know how it goes in the comments, how much you love this, that golden milk recipe. Now, for more information on the benefits of turmeric, please check out my video, Turmeric Benefits You Need to Know. I'll see you there.